There's a fire, so you should call the firefighters. This fire truck was heavily damaged from the past fire, but it still works like normal. Here we are. Alright, put out the fire, firefighters. Go! Now the firefighters can now just sit back and relax and ready for another adventure.